Hey, what's up everyone? Today we are going to build a stunning landing page using React and Tailwind CSS. This is the best tutorial where you can learn so many things, including how to create reusable React components, how to create custom hooks, and style it using Tailwind CSS. Don't worry if you are not familiar with React or Tailwind CSS. I will explain each step along the way. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional responsive landing page to showcase your skills. Plus, I will share some cool tips to improve your design and coding skills along the way. We will start by setting up our React environment. Let's start by creating a brand new React tab. I'll be using white to create my data. It will take some time to install. Now it's done. Now let's install the Tailwind CSS and paste. It will take some time to install. Now it's done. Now go to the project folder. And you terminal. Go to the project folder, go to Tailwind config and copy paste this. And also I have some colors. I will copy paste it. You can pause the video and code it down. Nice. Now let's install. We will be using React icon, so let's install it. So copy this, go to the search tree and remove app.css, and inside the app.js remove all the things and create new React component. Save. Go to the index CSS, remove all this and paste this. Okay. Now let's run this up. The app is running. And I also have some other styles. So copy this. You can copy this. Okay. Now let's keep the folder structure. I will have a component folder. Components and containers folder. And then hooks folder, because we will be using custom hooks. And it's in our app.js. We will have some section. We will have a header, and then we will have a hero section, and we will have a about section, we will have a product section, We will have a sales section, we will have a banner, and we will have a contact section, and last we will have a footer. So let's create these containers. So the header will be a component, and level 0, you have about, we will have products, we will have sales, we will have banner, and also we will have contact, and then we will have a footer. Right. Let's remove all these. Let's import header. Import header. Import header from components. Okay. Now let's start. So let's give some style. BG primary. Width will be full and position will be relative. Okay, see. Now let's go to the header. Inside header, let's create, let's give some styles. Height will be 20, it will be 80 pixels. It will be 20. Width will be full. Background will be primary. And the background will be primary. And then inside that, there will be another. If you have max width of 7 pixels, margin inline will be auto. Height will be full. Width will be 83%. It will be flex. Justify will be between items will be sent. Inside that, we will have first we will have logo. I'll create a component for the logo. The logo will be tail style. Tail style. Let's give some classes. Text will be 2XL. Text will be 2XL. Package. Text will be white. Tracking will be tight. Now let's import the worker here. Now you can see the logo. Now below that we will have the list. So create some cap. This will be a flex, and when we start, it will be hidden. Okay, only show in large screen. Okay, so gap will be hidden. So set the tube. We have to create some links. Okay. So I'm going to create file name data purchase. You can download this file, and also I will have images. You can download both of these files from the link in the description. So inside the data jars, I copy and paste the position. This will contain everything that we need. Now go to the header and get now links. Now links get import links from index. Okay, and map. Data. The link will be item link, and the text will be under text. Now we have a problem. Now check. You can't see it, so let's give it some styles. Text will be text. Text will be white, and the text will be this. Below that, we will have this button. Make an order. Let's give it some classes. Order will be 2. Border color will be 1. Means heading will be 2. Okay. Heading will be 4. Okay. Round up will be 3. So I don't know why Tailwind CSS not suggesting classes. VG will be transparent. Background will be transparent. Text will be white. Text also will be small. Font will be bold. And also hidden in mobile screen, only showing large screen. Okay. Now, okay. Now we will try Skill. Now looks much better. Okay. Okay, now let's create the mobile navigation. You can see in the mobile screen, it will be hidden. So we have to know what screen we are in. So I will create some custom hook to know what screen we will be using. Use is mobile. Or this can be a JX. So we will not be using HTML anymore. Now let's use scale use is mobile. It's mobile. Okay. This will be filled in a way below 1024. Okay. Now spare function const check screen set is mobile window in a width window in a width 1024 and we will use effect to check. We will use effect to check because we have to run it again. So we will be using use effect and we will then divide listener and window resize. We will run this check the screen function and also we have to remove and also I will have another use state to know whether the navigation bar is clicked or not. So what I mean is okay. Is now default will be false. Okay. Default will be false. Now I'm going to return this. I'm going to return this mobile as well as is now. So I have an error. Let's go to the header and check this. Const is mobile okay. Now below that we'll have this button. So in order to make this button, escape button, we will have two React icons inside this button. One is gr close, size will be 35, and also we will have gim button size will be also 35. And if is now active is now active, then we will show gr clause. If not, we will show this icon. We have to import these React icons. Gx clause, gr clause from React icons and import gr then from here I can see a hamburger. Now you can see it here. Let's give it some classes. So we have to get to the top of the method. I will give a set index of 30. Text will be white. See, the large screen will be big. On this button you have a click function. So what will happen is when you click, you have to change it. Let's get this function from here. Okay. Now instead of get this, we create toggle navigation. It will more cleaner. So this now the what is the opposite of this. Now let this function. Okay. Here this function. Now it's working. Now below that we will have the list. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna see. So let's give it some classes. I will make it flex. We'll make it flex. Large screen we should hide it. Okay. And the position will be absolute. Position will be absolute. Top will be 0. Right will be 0. 8 will be screen. Width will be 32. Background will be gray. So it's the background color 3. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. And then set index of 20. Next direction will be column. Okay. Just 5 will be around. Will be around. Items will be center. Let's give some padding y. Will be square. Okay. Now it looks good. Let's make this so we can write conditional rendering inside. So is now active. Then if it is true, then translate x will be 0. Else translate x will be 72. Okay. Yeah. This we will fix it later. Now it's working. Let's give it some animation. Transition will be all. Duration will be 300. Okay. Yeah. So that's good. And now, okay, the header is over. Now let's close this logo and let's go to the hero section. Let's import. Let's import hero section. Now inside the hero section, we will be using icon. Let's import let's give it some classes. Next, width will be 7XL. Width will be editware. The next will be inside that we have another div. Background will be color 1. It will be full. Round will be 3XL, means border radius with 3XL. Padding line will be 60. Okay. Margin by, let's give it 8. Yeah, it's good. Padding X will be 2. That will be flex. Flex direction will be column. Justify will be start. Cap will be end. Position will be relative. Text will be center. But it's only in small devices, so we have to make sure it aligns left in larger screen. Text left. Inside that we'll have the image. Let's first the image. Okay. 0.png. So 0.png. Let me copy the images. So what you have to know is let me get the images. Okay. Now it's ready to go. .png. Okay. Now let's create some classes. Okay. Here we have absolute. Top will be 0. Right will be also 0. Height will be full. Object will become contain. Opacity will be 50%. I can't see the images. Okay, so now let's set the text. Welcome to text type. Skip some classes. Option will be relative. Text will be 2XL on small screens as well as large screens. Below that we will have H1. Yeah. Style needs come first. Let's give it some classes. Option will be related. Text will be 4XL small devices. Then text will be 6XL. Large screen, it will be 7x. Text will be primary. Font will be bold. Small devices will be full. Medium devices will be 9 minus 9 divided 12. Okay, now below that we have the button. See various collection. Let's give it some classes. Relative text will be base, width will be fit, px will be 8, py will be 4, background will be primary, text will be white, round will be large, flex, cap will be 4, items will be center, mx will be auto, and the small devices, only small devices we will give it mx auto. Large screens we will have margin left 0. So what happens is when it's down to small devices, it will be sent. Now we can't see the images. Let's see. Okay. So this we are change. So we have the notes. Okay. Now we can see image. Now it's done. Now let's go to the about section. Let's close it. Go to the about section. Let's import it. In the about section, you can see we have 3 grids. These are grids. This is a one grid, another grid. There are 3 grids. So what I'm going to do is I will give it some ID. Then I will give some class names. Okay. Max width will be 7x here. Width will be 12. This will give the width will be 83%. Margin inline will be auto. Will be grid columns. Can you mobile screen? Only one. Small screens grid will be 2. The larger screen grid will be 4. The cap will be 8. Now inside it we will have 3 divs. Okay. We will have 3 divs. So inside the first div we will keep the small device. It will be 1, but in its comparator it takes, you can see 2 grids. So what I'm going to do, grid small devices call span will be 2. Let's give it some other styles. Flex, PG, color will be 3, rounded will be 3x here, X direction will be column. The cap will be 8. Now it's some text. Okay. Here the title or story. First name text will be 2XL and text will be white. Color 3. Now you can see the color. And also it will have a padding. Padding the 8. Okay. Now below that we have p tag. Okay. Set that p tag. I'm going to copy paste the text. Okay. You can get this from the link in the description. This will class name text will be base and text will be gray 400. Now below that we copy paste the content. Both its style will be most of the time same. So open videos I will type flex PG color will be 2, padding will be 8, rounded will be 3XL and text will be 2XL. Now scale color 1. Now it's okay. You can see well responsive. Right. Let's create the about section. Now let's see. Now we have the product section. It's import. Okay, inside products, let's give it some styles. Next it will be 7XL, it will be 10. The next will be auto. Like direction will be column, the gap will be 8. Inside that there will be 2 divs. The first div will contain another 2 divs. So this will be grid calls the one in small devices and in medium devices. Grid calls will be 3. Grid calls will be 3 and the cap will be 8. So that will have another div. This div padding will be 8. Okay, padding will be 8. The background color will be 4. You can see that. Let's have a margin top of 8. Yeah. And that will be 3XL. Okay. It will be 4. So that we have our latest collection. Okay, let's remove our because we don't need that. Latest collection. Let's give it text size. Okay. Text will be 2XL. Now it's good. Below that another div. This will contain 20 discount first 100 units on our winter collection. So I have a padding of 8. PG color will be 3. Text will be white. Text will be 2XL. Rounded will be 3XL. Width will be full. Medium constant will be 2. Text will be send. Okay, it's okay. Now let's get the products. So in the products div, we'll have width will be full, grid columns will be 1, medium screen grid columns will be 2, and large screens grid columns will be 3. Okay, recap will be 8. Now I'm going to import the products. These all are coming from the data.js folder. File, featured products. Okay. Copy this. I'm gonna map this product. I'm gonna create another component for each product. Okay. Product. Okay. So delete the key. Product ID. Okay, let's create that component. Import it. Okay, now go to the product page and remove this. Some class names. That will be 8. PG color will be 3. Text will be white. Flex. This direction will be column. Cap will be 8. Round will be 3XL. Give it the group. We use the group to put some animations to the image. Okay, inside that let's have another div. We will have class name, width will be full, aspect will be square, overflow will be big. So that we will have image, product, image will like, let's get the product. Okay, we can't see the image. Let's be, should be simple. We can see the images. Let's give it some class names. It will be full. It will be full. Object will be cover. Object will be cover. Group. Cover will be scale 110. Transition and duration will be 300 milliseconds. So what happens when we use group? When we use group, when we hover this group, we can use to animate individual element inside that group. So below that, we will have another div. It will have a class name flex. Justify will be weekly. Items will be same. And then H4 tag, product title. Below that another H4 tag. Inside that we will have expand. Sorry, we will have expand product price. Then the name mark. Okay, let's give it some styles. Text details. Okay, style. Text will be color one. Okay, now it's good. Now it's over. Now let's go to the sales. Okay, let's open sales. Let's import sales. Inside sales, there will be 4 divs. So what the class names? Max width will be 7XL. It will be 2012. Max will be auto. Margin top will be 8. The grid calls will be 2. Yeah. Calls will be 2 in medium screen. Grid calls will be 4. Cat will be reduce will be 8. Okay. Now inside that we will have a 3 divs. Okay. The first div we will have padding with 8. Flex direction will be column. Justify will be center. Items will be center. PG color will be 2. Text will be white. And round will be 3XL. And also text will be center. Like that, we have H3 tag with class names. Text will be 4XL. Font will be bold. And then margin bottom will be 2. Okay, so let's yeah. Then we will have expand units delivered. Let's get some class names. Text will be small. Okay, right. Now let's copy paste this another 3 times. Okay. Now let's change this to 54 plus, and also background color. Background color will be 1. Okay. This background color will be 3. Okay, and this background color will be 4. Sorry, 4. Countries. So countries. So this will be 200 plus. Worldwide shops, and also plus yes sense. Now it's done. Let's close that. Then we will have the banner. Let's import banner. Let's go to the banner. So inside banner, let's give it some styles. Max will be 7x, will be 8L, and max will be auto, margin top will be 8. Inside that we will have a median where round will be 3XL, will be crit calls will be 1, large screen grid calls will be 8, gate row will be auto, the cap will be 8. Okay, inside that we have a 2 views. The first view we will have a pattern of 8. So rounded will be 3XL. Flex will be column. The cap will be 4. Background color will be 4. Large screen core span will be 5. Okay, now inside that we will have H2 type grab over limited. For limited edition it will have some styles. Text will be 5. XL medium screen. Text will be 6XL. Large screens. Text will be 7XL. Now, below that we will have a big tab. This only 99 will be ever made from the design. So grab your one right now with more 20% winter discount. Actually it should be 21%. 21%. Okay, let's give it some style. Text will be this. Below that we will have span. Span we will have a classes. Flex cap will be 8. Items will be center. Flex flex micro. Now, let that we have a 3 spans. Okay. Second span will be at $24.49. Our process text will be for Excel. Small screen text will be 6XL. Font will be bold and text color will be 3. Okay. Okay. We have another text will be 2XL. Small screen text will be 4XL. Font will be bold. Text color will be 3 bit will be fit. relative flex justify will be sent. Okay, times will be sent. We have two spans. The first one is the original price. Okay. Below that, we will have another div. This will be empty div. So let's click some styles. It will be full. It will be for Excel. PG will be red 500. Okay, it will be 500. Ocean will be solo. Okay, opacity will be 70. Okay, rotate 12 degree. Okay, now with that we will have this bar. Okay, only below that span another span only 51 left. It's very small. Okay, here we will have the button or not. And also we will have the icon. The icon will be eligible. Okay, check. Size will be 25. So 25. Let's import this. Import icons. Okay. Now, okay, check. Okay. You can see this. We need some styles. Okay. It will be fit. Okay. Flex. And the gap will be 4. Okay. Adding Y will be 4. Adding X will be 8. Nice. PG color will be 3. Okay. Text will be white. Okay. Items will be sent. Nice, nice, nice. Now come to the below tab. You will have image. So another image will be another image. Okay, this is the image. And let's create some classes. Round will be 3XL. Round will be 3XL. Large screen. Constant will be 3. Large screen constant will be 3. Expect will be auto. Overflow will be hidden. Should be related. Okay. So install the image as well. It will be full. It will be full. Check will be cover. To be cover. Check will be sent. Okay, below the image, we will have another div. So this way. Okay. So in that div, set test div, another div. So typically we'll have two spans. The first span will be 21, second span will be percentage mark. Below the div, we have another span. Now let's give it some class. Portion will be absolute, top will be 2, right also will be 2, it will be 28. Okay, skip some shadow. Shadow will be medium, will be square, round will be full, x direction will be column, justify will be center, items will also center, text will be also center. Okay, you can't see, let's give it some background color. Color 1, color 3, color 3, text will be color 1. Now insert this, we'll give flex and say the center item will center, justify will be center. Okay, let's give some classes. Text will be 5 okay, percentage, text will be large, it should go up. So instead of center, let's give star. Now this thing will have text of this. We don't actually need to use text base because it's the default size. Okay. Now let's see what revenue value screens. Yeah, good. Now after that we will have the contact page. Okay. So open the contact page. So let's give it some styles. Next it will be 7XL, it will be 1012, the next will be auto, margin top will be 8, so will be a grid columns will be 1, but medium screens, grid columns will be 3. Okay, inside that we will have two divs. Okay, one div to country rounded will be 3XL, text will be white, so grid, so grid calls will be 1, top will be 8. Okay, inside that, actually we don't need rounded here and text, we only need the grid. Okay, so another div, screen time will be 8, rounded will be 3XL, PG will be color 1, text will be color 3, text will be 3XL, flex Justify will be center. Items also will be sent. It's import. Consider this. Okay. Okay. Now look that we also have another day of the same style. Okay. This time the color will be 4. This time color will be 4. Now inside that we have React icon. So I will import React icon. Import phone from React icons. Is three time. So MD email language didn't need that. Can use this. Location dot location dot location dot okay, let's import location dot size. Let's give it 30. Okay, let's give it 30. This color will be white. Below that we will have a span. Let's say number 55. Straight. We say and also this will have a class name. Text will be large. Text color will be 3. Font will be 4. I can see break properly because this I think the location which see yeah the location so this the location should be phase 6. That's the problem. Okay. This should be fix the issue. Yeah, now it's working. Right. So the problem is the flexi. We need to have a gap between. So let's see. So I'm going to give the text color 3. Okay. Flex direction will be okay. Yes. Now copy this. gonna paste it here. Also, I'm going to copy this. So that we have two tiers. X. X will be column. That will be 2. Justifier will be center. Items also will be center. Okay. So that we will have this. We have another tier. Okay. Nice. So for location, in the email, and get this style contact to style.com. Okay. Let's change the color to, let's give it, what is the color? Color okay. Color okay. Let's give it some, the color will be okay. So we have the padding. Okay. The cat will be to cat will be okay. Instead of this, set the phone number plus 11 555 Okay. Okay, nice. Now this part is done. Let that another two. Okay. This will have a medium screen codes and 2. Background color will be 3. Rounded will be 3XL. Okay. Rounded will be 3XL. And also let's give it a padding 8. This will have a gap of 8. Nice. Okay, inside that we will have a form. There will be no actions since this is only a backend. Let's give some classes. It will be full flex will be flex direction will be column. The gap will be okay. So inside that there will be a div. This will be a row. Your flex direction will be column. Gap will be 4. Set that we will have a label email. Class names will be margin left will be 2. Text will be white. Text also will be small. Okay. There will be input tag will be email. So we have a class names padding will be 4. Okay, padding will be 4. Rounded will be large. Okay. Outline will be none. So there will be no border. Okay. Background will be primary. Background will be primary. Text will be important. Text will be small. Good. Okay, let's copy this 2 times. This will be name. So name title with text. Okay. So text area. Okay. Message. Okay. Good. After that, we will have button. Okay. This button will be same. We will have a class names. Okay. PG color will be 1. Good. Text let's give color 3. Font will be bold. Okay. Padding will be 3. Good. Let's give on the radius large. Accuracy. That's fine. Now we have the food. Okay, let's close this. The banner. We have the food. Let's import the of course we have to import that. So then let's start in the go to footer, training, some classes. Okay. Next will be 7 Excel. That will be 8. Margin top will also be 8. Next will be auto. Then so your flex direction will be column. The cap will be 8. Okay. Now inside that there will be 2 divs. Okay. So you have a text. The center text also will be white. Font will be light and text will be small. Contain this. Okay, now let's set this. Okay. Before there are 2 main divs. Okay. So let's create those here. The first div with the logo. So let's give flex. Let's will be column that will be we don't know. This flex. Justify will be start. Okay. Items. So will be start. Simple logo. Then now we have to give it the big. Okay. Okay, now let's find the it's no need padding here. The padding by should be here. Good. So also okay. 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 Now below the logo there will be another div. This will be create columns. Mobile screen there will be one of when it's above a small screen there will be should be two. The gap will be 28. Okay, now inside gap there will be two divs. Okay, the first div said there will be a street tag tail shop. There will also be another div in this. I'm going to import company links. Okay, company links. Okay. Now, the company links will be available at the data.js file. Item item okay, extra station we have created the channel. So item will be link. Okay. So you have class name, text will be white, and then you have let's see text direction will be column. Give some styles. Okay, so this will be a flex direction will be called not only in a small screen, medium screen flex will be raw, the gap will be 2. Okay, now let's come to this. Okay, text will be white. The text or text will I don't know with text. This will be flex direction will be column, gap will be 4, text will be a center because it should be center in the mobile screen. Okay, text will be center, medium extreme, text will be left. Kids and style flex will be column, gap will be 2. Let's see. This also should be text will be center. Tailwind's story is done. Okay. So we get justify will be center and in the medium screen justify will be done. Okay. Now when it's medium screen this should be still at this side. Okay. Temperatures I'm going to give it some style. Okay, set here. We have components. We compare the links. We have no links. Okay, company shop should have class names. Text will be white, and the text also will be a large, and font will be bold. Good. Now let's see. we should be posting this side. Okay. So the problem will be here. Okay. It should be for the maximum. Okay. Now it's okay. Okay. Now this is done. Right. Now the problem is you can see the screen. Okay. We have to fix that. So for the index CSS and below that take the body and then let it with the 100% overflow x. I can see it's working, but the problem is it's working, but when it's on the mobile screens, you can see it's not working in the mobile devices. Yeah, so I'm gonna. That is because we can't have overflow in the mobile devices. Okay, so only for the body, but I can get the root. Okay, and add overflow exceeding to that. Okay, now it's fixed this. Okay, now it's okay. Now even the navbar is active, we can still scroll. That should not be possible. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to hooks mobile and inside that I will be checking if is now active. Then I will grab the document, then the body, and the next time overflow by will be hidden. Else it will be unset. Okay. And then every time the navigation bar click, the use effect should run. Okay. So I'm gonna defend inside. So now let's see. Now you can see we can't scroll in the navigation bars. Okay. This is a final project. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.